Hi, I'm Kathleen, and this is my easy-to-make pool equipment cover. My pool equipment was being damaged by the sun, and I wanted to protect it, but I needed easy access to be able to clean out my filter and salt cell chlorinator. I also have a pool sweep, electrical box, light, and timer that I need to be able to get to. So this is what I came up with. I used 3/4-inch PVC pipe to create a structure to cover over the tallest of my equipment, which was the filter. I cut 1.5 foot lengths of electrical conduit available at Home Depot, which fits perfectly inside the PVC pipe to anchor the structure in place. I used a Dremel, but you can buy a hand cutter at Home Depot or use a hacksaw or sawzall to cut the conduit. Some stores may cut it for you, which is the easiest. I drilled holes through the PVC and conduit and ran a piece of rebar wire through both to hold them together. We get strong winds in our area, and I didn't want my beautiful work to fly away. I measured my structure and bought outdoor fabric to make the cover. Be sure to buy a little extra material for the casing and seam allowances. I added a 3-inch casing on one side that slides onto the PVC pipe. And I used Velcro strips on the other side to allow the cover to detach and fold back so I can get to the equipment as needed. I added grommets, which are available at hobby or craft stores, to run zip ties through to attach the cloth to the structure. I just cut off the zip ties when I need to get to my equipment, and I insert new ones when I'm done. Here's a diagram of my design. Of course, you would modify it to fit your situation. Once I was satisfied with the structure and how it worked, I glued the PVC pipe in place. I like the way the fabric blends into the landscaping and hides the equipment from view. I may eventually decide to paint the PVC to match, but for now it's serving its purpose.